tiger. Mom. What does a tiger and a mom have to do with getting fully booked teaching ESL online? Well, far more than you might think. There's a pivotal point about a tiger and a mom that I realized, and when I realized this, I updated my bio and I became fully booked. My followers started growing more rapidly and I got fully booked. So I'm here today to share with you what it is about a tiger and a mom that helped me, and I do believe it will help you too. But first, if you are in the application or the hiring process for VIPKID, feel free to use my code, and if you do, email me because I have a goodie packet for you full of free things that will be very beneficial as you go through the hiring process and when you are a teacher. So check this video's description to see what comes in that packet, and be sure to email me so I can help you walk you through this as a friend. So let's dive right into Tiger Mom because I know you are ready to update your bio. So a Tiger Mom is a term used for strict disciplinarian parents. Now, this term is often used for traditional Chinese parenting, and many of the parents you encounter teaching ESL online will be Tiger parents, and they really push their kids toward academic excellence. My very first student, Lancy, told me in one of our classes together that she was so tired, and she was always tired, and her mom told her when she was grown up she could have fun. But Lancy said, I will never have fun because I will always be tired. Y'all, these parents are so intense when it comes to their children's academic success. And so we have to attract them so they book our classes for their children. Because when you think about it, we are private contractors and we have to bring in our own business, our own clientele. And VIPKID makes it extremely easy for you to bring in students. They provide you with, your profile where you can put pictures and a video and a bio. And I think the bios are obviously downplayed in place of the videos, but these bios are so important and they can be relatively simple. And I will walk you through in this video how to write a bio, and it is easy. So don't be sweating. It's not complicated. We want to attract these parents so that when they're scrolling through the list of teachers that you stand out, and you have to have a way to stand out, a way to capture their attention. And this is what I have done to capture their attention. And since I've updated my bio, I haven't updated it since. We need a class focus. You need a class focus. Because when you can tell the parent in the bio that your class has a focus, it sets you apart from the other teachers, because all VIPKID teachers have to have a bachelor's degree. So having a bachelor's degree, old news. Going to a college, university, old news. They want something different. Your teaching experience may vary. Maybe you don't have a lot of teaching experience, and so you feel small in a big pond. You don't have to, because your classroom has a focus. Your teaching has a focus, and that is going to make you stand out, and your focus can be anything. My focus is proper English pronunciation, and I tell the parents this in 2 sentences. I say, my focus as a teacher is proper pronunciation. I also strive to teach in an interactive way that helps the students learn English well. That's my sales pitch. Right there. That's what makes me stand out as a teacher. That's what makes me different from the next teacher. And proper English pronunciation isn't some type of certificate I've received or many years of experience I have. It's just something that my class is focused on. This is the goal of my classes, and that's how I sell. My service as a teacher is having a classroom focus. Now, your classroom focus could be anything. It could be pronunciation like mine. It could be helping beginners have a strong foundation for their English. It could be always having students speaking complete sentences, being excellent with extension, friendliness, encouragement, helping shy students with output, anything. Just pick something and make it your classroom's focus. remember that if you offer a focus in your classroom, in your bio, you have to follow through with it. In time, I lost my focus and I had a parent call me out for it. She left me 5 apples, which is very kind of her, but she told me in the feedback that she wanted me to focus on her child, Vivian's pronunciation. This was the focus of my class. I was supposed to be doing this. This is what I told them I would do, and I let them down there. This past week, I had a student, Alice. Her parents said that I took pronunciation correction seriously, and that was so kind of them, and it made me so proud because I was following through with what I offered, and that's what these parents are looking for. And so, if you follow through with what you say is your classroom focus, that's when you get rebooked. So you have to sell them on something to get them booked, and then you have to have them rebook you and come back and become regulars, because it's fun to have new students, but it's so great to have regulars, because that's when you begin to build a relationship with students, and it's just fun. It's fun to see them grow, to learn in English, to get to know them and have them get to know you. It's fun. They become friends in a way, and the parents become friends. It's sweet. It's fun. So don't be afraid of having a focus. Don't think that it will make your classes rigid and stiff and boring, stale, none of that. Because if you have a focus in your classroom, the things you do to teach to reinforce that focus will become habits. And in time, you'll find ways to break the habits and make it fun, and to grow your class through that focus. So the focus becomes the strength of your classes. And through the habits you make and the routines you have, you find ways to have fun. So the fun comes into the classroom, but you're still having your focus. That sales point is still being delivered. The parents will see that. The kids will have fun. They'll rebook you. It's a win-win-win for everyone. So I really want you to try to add a focus to your classroom, add it to your bio, make it your selling point, and the rest of your bio can be done in 4 simple steps, well, including the focus. So the first step is a greeting. Say hello and wherever you're from, America or the beach, wherever you're from, just greet them, tell them where you're from. Let that be your opener, and then dive right into the focus, because you want to capture their attention. You want to set yourself apart as soon as possible from the other teachers. So greet them, tell them your classroom focus, put that selling point, the focus on my classroom is right there, laid out for them to see, and then put in your education, your work experience, your experience with kids, your experience teaching. Put it in there next, because you want to have that focus first to make yourself different, and then follow up with the things they expect. They expect you to have a degree. They want to know about your teaching experience and experience with children. They want to know that next. And then the fourth thing is a little bit about yourself. So tell them about your family, about your friends, about your pets, what you do in your free time, your hobbies, whatever feels comfortable for you. Just make yourself seem relatable, be presentable, be warm. Just share a little bit about your life. This is just to give the parents a glimpse of who you are, so they feel they know you a little bit before they book their child in your class. And the way you stand out from those other teachers is with your focus, because the other teachers will say where they're from and where their degree is in and what they like to do on Thursday nights. But you have a classroom focus. You have a sales point in your bio, and that's what makes you different. And just like that, in 4 easy steps, you have written a bio. And I'm excited to hear about your bios, so you can email me your bio if you would like me to read it and offer some valuable feedback to better help you attract those tiger moms. I am here for you, and you are more than welcome to email me those. And so if you email me your bio, let me know in the comments. If you plan to update your bio, let me know. If you updated your bio and it totally rocked and you brought in more students, let me know. So like this video, guys, if it was helpful to you, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss next week's video, which will be awesome, I'm sure, because why would I bring anything else to you guys? Until next week, my friends.